Why does it matter to understand the difference between monosaccharides, disaccharides, and polysaccharides? To answer this, we delve into the world of carbohydrates, the essential energy providers and storers in our bodies. Monosaccharides are the simplest form of carbohydrates. The term mono suggests one, and indeed these are single sugar molecules. Glucose, fructose, and galactose are prime examples of monosaccharides. These molecules have the same chemical formula but differ in their structural configurations. Their primary role is to provide quick and immediate energy for our bodies. Glucose, for example, is the primary energy source for our brain and muscles during strenuous activities. Next we have disaccharides, which are formed when two monosaccharides join together through a process known as dehydration synthesis. The term di means two, indicating the pair of sugar molecules. Sucrose, lactose, and maltose are familiar disaccharides. They serve as an energy source and play a part in signal transduction and immunity. Now let's talk about the heavy hitters, the polysaccharides. These complex carbohydrates are formed when more than two sugar molecules combine. The term poly means many, and these carbohydrates can consist of hundreds to thousands of monosaccharides. Examples include starch, glycogen, and cellulose. Starch can be further divided into two types, amylose and amylopectin. Amylose is a linear chain of glucose molecules, while amylopectin is a branched chain. Both types of starch serve as energy storage in plants. Glycogen, on the other hand, serves a similar purpose in animals and humans. It's stored in the liver and muscles and is rapidly converted back to glucose when energy is needed. So why is it crucial to understand these differences? Well, these carbohydrates play different roles in our bodies, from providing immediate energy to storing energy for later use. They're also involved in various bodily functions, including immune response and signal transduction. In summary, we've learned about the three types of carbohydrates: monosaccharides, disaccharides, and polysaccharides. We've explored their structures from the simple single sugar molecule of monosaccharides to the complex chains of polysaccharides. We've also discussed their roles, highlighting their importance in energy provision and storage, as well as other bodily functions. Understanding these differences is not just about knowing the science behind carbohydrates, it's about appreciating the intricate systems of our bodies and how they utilize these carbohydrates to keep us functioning every day. Until our next exploration, remember, every molecule has a story, and every story contributes to the fascinating world of science.